This video walks you through the exercise on Onshape that covers moving a part to the origin. So you're going to want to click on the link in Classroom, and it takes you to this part already created by Onshape, and you need to make a copy. So right up here, just click Make a Copy. I would suggest putting your name at the end of it and hit OK. And this is following the slides that are also in Onshape's Learning Center. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create an assembly. As of now, we only have a part studio down here, which has one part in it. So imagine we want to place this part into an assembly. So I'm going to click down here, create assembly, and it creates an assembly down here. And right now this assembly document is empty. So we're going to insert a part into the assembly. Click insert. It defaults to what you have open already, and this is the part studio that we have open, and this is the part within that part studio. So we want to make sure we pick the part. All right, and now it's there. I'm just going to click it anywhere in this space. And we're purposely not aligning it to the origin to start so that you see how to align it to the origin in case that is something that comes up. Okay, so now you just select the part, and you'll see this triad manipulator, as they call it, come up. You're going to want to click on the center circle. Now rotate your view. It might help if you rotated it ahead of time, since you may not have a mouse. And when I pick this bottom surface, you'll see that it can snap right to that center of this bottom surface. I'm going to let go of the mouse here, and that makes it so that the center, haven't done it yet. The center of that circle that's highlighted in orange right now will automatically then be placed on the center of that bottom surface. Okay, now that that is placed onto the center of the surface, I'm going to right click on this circle, and I'm going to say move to origin. So what that does is it puts this point on this part right on the origin of the assembly. So this would be something you'd have to determine ahead of time, what you want to be aligned where in a logical location. The next thing I want to do is set the part so it's facing the direction I want it to be. Right now it's upside down in terms of what I want. So to reorient the part so it's facing upwards, you're going to just right click this arrow that's part of the triad that represents the z-axis, and I'm going to say align with z. Now it should look like it's actually upside down from where it was to begin with. So now it's located at the origin, but it actually could still move. We have not fixed it yet. So the last thing you're going to want to do is just right click on the part anywhere on the part and hit fix. And what that does is it makes it so that this part will no longer move in space relative to the origin of this assembly. You can see that it's fixed because you can see under the assembly, here's the part, and this little symbol means fixed. That's it for the assignment. You're going to want to get the mass properties by clicking here, and then you can do a screenshot of those mass properties. That's it.